I'm in a good mood.
Yeah?
In a very good mood. I'm feeling good for today.
Well, I need to figure out how to make this white balance, man. Come on.
We need Leah back.
Okay. Whoa, look at him.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful man. Looking all fresh.
Well, well, look who's back.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back. It is time for your fix of Swap Squad.
Guess who's back?
Yeah? So what we're gonna do?
So what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got something very, very special for you. We went and picked up something very, very nice just the other day. Can't wait to show you.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a,
Any spoiler?
not any spoilers. We can't spoil it. You'll see as it comes in.
Yeah? Okay. So what, that's what you got?
It is indeed, it is indeed. So, what does everyone think? Make sure you leave a comment. What we've got here, it's an Audi TT 2007, 2 litre, is it TSFI? As you can see, there are a few little problems with it. We've got a bit of damage on the bumper. I parked on the side of the street.
Show me where is the damage on the bumper, man.
It's there.
Oh, you mean the half of the lift missing?
No, I've got a funny story to tell about that. We'll get to that in a minute. So I parked on the side of the street the other day and I don't think someone was too happy with it because I have been keyed.
Ooh. I don't know if camera can pick up that, but this is proper. Someone don't like German cars. Man.
What happened with the splitter?
Yeah.
So I went to pick this up the other day. On the way back, I ran into what I'd like to call a suicide pigeon. It landed right in front of me as I'm going 80 down the motorway. And this happened. So we're going to remove that. We're going to get a new one because I like the look of it.
When you get a new one?
Hopefully it will be delivered in the next couple of days.
Oh.
Fancy, fancy.
What happened with your haircut?
Well, I slipped and fell into the barbers.
Ah.
Yeah, look what they've done to me.
Yeah.
I like it though.
Look at these wheels.
Ooh. I'm thinking we'll go gloss black on the roof, gloss black on the mirrors, and then a lovely gold over the body.
What about this
This?
bonnet damage?
Okay, so seeing as we're not bodywork people, I've got a professional guy coming round. He's going to knock this down, fill and sand, so it's nice and perfect, back to standard. Come on, let's have a look at this.
Okay, yeah, I think. Oh, come on! Why when I'm pressing record is making darker?
Let's open it.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's not even the right colour.
No? Not happy with the color?
More.
Yeah?
With the colour.
Ooh. Oh, come on, man. Seriously.
What's going on here? He'll do it. What the fuck is going on there?
Machine gun.
Put it properly.
There you go. we'll go. Definitely that way. Okay, so let's get a close. We'll get a proper close up of this. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Ready.
Close up.
Ooh.
Oh, first time.
What happened there?
Come on.
Yeah. It was like halfway out. So what do we got here? A big fat key scratch. Here's some scratches as well. There was some bits where we need to sand.
There are a few bits
I
where it
think.
needs sand.
Yeah.
So because it was resprayed, you can see whoever did it was naff at the job.
So here we got some lacquer peeling, like badly, or you can actually peel it off. It's like that. So this bit will be sanded down to make it flat. Oh, this is really bad paint work. We need something to do about the front bumper. It probably will need sanding as well, just a light sand. So on the front bumper we remove these vents, plastic vents. This lip will need to come off. Well, what's left from the lip. Number plates, obviously. Wing mirrors will go as well as the door handles. And because this car is black, we're not gonna remove the bumpers. The bumpers will gonna stay on the car as they are, because you're not gonna see the like. Why you're not gonna see it, Charlie? Tell me why we're not.
Can you not get the words out?
Yeah, I forgot the word, man.
Okay, so because it's black,
Yeah.
you don't have to go quite so deep, because if the car was white and there's a bit of a white edge showing, it'll stand out like a sore thumb. But because it's black, you can get away with those little bits. No, I'm forgetting words.
So basically we're not removing bumpers, yeah, because it's no point, because
But we will loosen them a bit. We'll loosen them just so we can get that little bit further in. But with a black car, it's much more forgiving. They're the words we're looking for. Forgiving. Forgiving. I forgive you for not thinking of it.
Oh, thank you. Right, man, I think you can get in, yeah?
I was with the grease, I was with the grit, yeah. Leave you out to freeze if you're not legit, no. Tried to call my bluff, I was stacking chips, yeah. Mad years it was rough, now I flipped the switch, whoa. Big checks on my body, I'm not talking swish, no. Please just get from around me, don't you move an inch, yeah. Don't mean to be rude, but I'm not taking pics, no. You keep making moves, but never taking risks, how? Wake up to
Guys, removing now door handle and wing mirrors. It is a long process and we will come back when it's done. Okay, so we're still fighting with the mirrors, and apparently you don't have to remove the door card to remove the mirrors. And so I made Charlie work more than needed. So basically we watched the YouTube video and it says you need to remove the mirror glass and then unscrew all those bits and dismantle it from here. But it maybe not that. We're still figuring it out. So we're back with the bad news, yeah? Very bad news, guys. Really bad news. Tell me what has happened.
So the issue we've run into is the mirrors bolts were completely rusted in. We've managed to bash one of them off, but the other side needs to be drilled out. We haven't got the drill, and we haven't got the drill bits.
Sorry. Yeah?
So tomorrow we're gonna get a nice fresh start with it, and I'll bring in the drill and the drill bits then. It's a bit unfortunate because it means that we can't get the doors done, which would be a nice little starter for us.
So this is the bastard where we having problems. So this side we managed to remove the mirror, but on the other side the bolt what is holding all this structure, this bolt is basically gone. We tried to put the bigger nut in there, or nut for the star Charlie, the torque. Yeah, the bigger torque was, we hammered the bigger torque on this side in that bolt, and then we managed to remove it. But on the other side it just needs drilling. Charlie, say something. You're gonna get us drill tomorrow.
Oh, I'm definitely going to get us a drill tomorrow. But what I'm doing now is, because this has been resprayed all over, quite a lot. You can even see where the little divots are, where I've got something in the paintwork as they're doing it. It just looks terrible. So seeing as it's going to be a more permanent wrap, just sanding it back, making it nice and flat.
And your guy coming tomorrow as well to fix the bonnet?
Yeah. He'll come, knock it back into shape, sand, fill, prime it up, and we can get that on.
So the first quarter is wrapped now, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like.
Did you know Hippo sweats pink? You're so aggressive!
The fuck are you talking? I'm just asking.
Okay, can you lower your voice? It's been awkward, but it's been alright.